welcome back to Glow Up with Shelly. And in today's video, I am going to be using my Patrick Ta's Major Dimensions 2 eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to show you this gorgeous eyeshadow look. Remember, this channel is all about glowing up, transformative skincare, flawless makeup, and a lifestyle to match. If that resonates with you, hit subscribe and don't forget to ring the notification bell. I want you to know when I post future videos. So for this video, I'm going to be doing a look with the Patrick Ta Major Dimensions palette. This is a beautiful palette. It has some wonderfully buttery mattes that are so blendable, and these shimmer colors are almost like shimmer toppers. These two colors are more like sparkly, darker colors, but these are kind of like a shimmer topper, almost like the Makeup by Mario Ethereal Eyes palette. So I really wanted to give this a try and do this beautiful look for you. So I'm going to come back with my clean palette and we're going to do the look together, and then I'm going to finish it off and we will see how it looks at the end. Okay, so I'm back here with a blank slate and I have on my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. This is the anti-aging version of the primer potion and I really like it a lot. It's one that I use frequently, and I just got the new palette by Patrick Ta, Major Dimensions. This is not a new palette. I shouldn't say new palette. This is not a new palette. It is one that has been previously released, but after trying Makeup by Mario's Ethereal Eyes, I was really curious about this palette because a lot of people compare the shimmer colors in Makeup by Mario's to Patrick Ta. So I was like, you know what? I've never tried Patrick Ta. So I did pick up this palette. It's absolutely stunning. Look at the way that glows. And when you open it, I mean, check out these colors, y'all. Look at that. They're gorgeous. So this color story has a lot of neutrals, a lot of pinks. So there's a couple beautiful pink tones, a gold, a fire tone, and then a deep kind of brownish pink. It's just gorgeous. And then it has these two gel liners, one that's kind of like a camel color and one that is a brown color called Crush. And we are going to use that to line today. So I wanted to give this palette a try. I just think it's stunning. It's got a stunning color story. And so we are going to go in and do an eyeshadow look with this palette. So first things first, we are going to take a clean brush and I'm gonna go in with that first color, Unfaithful. It's kind of like this peachy tone, almost like camel, like a very light camel color. And I'm just going to go all over my lid with a blending brush. This is a small blending brush, and I like to show the brushes that I use so that you guys can follow along on these eyeshadow tutorials if you'd like to. So I'm just gonna kind of give it like an all over kind of color all over my lid. These are so super blendable and just absolutely stunning in the amount of color that's deposited. Okay, so I have that on my lid. And then I'm gonna go in with this color. It's called Heartbreak. And we're just gonna deepen that crease just a little bit and kind of put some color on the outer corner of our eyes, just to give it some depth. And again, I'm just kind of, and I'm gonna take a big blending brush and just kind of blend it like all over. I think I need a little bit more concentrated. I'm going in with a medium brush just so that I can concentrate that color a little bit more. Just kind of get it all over. And then I go in with my big blending brush and I just like blend out any lines that might be there. Just getting rid of any harshness. Then I'm going back in with my medium eyeshadow brush and doing the same thing on, oops, I didn't mean to get it that far. I'm just going to get it all over. And then I go in with my big blending brush and I just like blend out any lines that might be there. Just getting rid of any harshness. Then I'm going back in with my medium eyeshadow brush and doing the same thing on, oops, I didn't mean to get it that far. Listen, we all make mistakes, guys. And then I'm going to just kind of blend it out. So now we have deepened that just a little bit with that light kind of rosy brown, super light. It's the color Heartache. So then the next color that we're going to go in with is Passion, and it's this color right here. And this one we are going to use on our inner corner and our outer corner. I'm going to take another medium-sized brush, and I'm just going to dip a little bit of that color, and I'm going to go in right on the inner corner of my eyes because I want to create like a halo effect where I only put the eyeshadow like right on the top part of my eye. Just a little bit different than some of the previous like transitions where I transition. This is just a little bit different, but it definitely gives a really pretty look. And I'm just gonna kind of go, when I do the outer corners, I really like going in with a contour blending brush because it just tends to get that V shape that I like so much really well. And I can kind of move that color around. So as you can see, I've got kind of like this halo kind of effect going on. And you don't need like a bunch of eyeshadow, like just the lightest tap. This eyeshadow is so pigmented and so blendable that just a little bit goes a super long way. So, I mean, you really only need just a dot. Tap off any excess and go in to give shape to your eye. And then I go back over it with my big old fluffy blending brush to just get rid of any excess eyeshadow that I might have on there. So pretty. I mean, talk about major dimensions. This palette was named really well because I feel like this palette just, the colors just blend so well together and they're not matchy or anything. So they all have kind of their own, like, they all kind of come through each other really well. And we're just going to get that outer corner. It's just so pretty. And then I'm going to take that blending brush with just a little bit of that dark pink on it and just really kind of blend it into that crease. And then I'm going to take the other side, which is blank, and I'm going to blend it upward. I mean, using the lightest touch. The lightest touch. Just blend it upward. Okay. Now I'm going to use my finger for that sparkle shade, and I'm just going to kind of press it right there in the center of my lid. I mean, just look at how gorgeous that is. And this is the color, I'm sorry, this is this is the color Affair. So it's this kind of really satiny pink color, and I'm just putting it on the center of my lid, where I didn't put any like eyeshadow at all. It just has this like wet, glossy, like gorgeous shimmer. It just really reminds me of Ethereal Eyes Makeup by Mario. And I was really interested in giving this palette a try because after trying that palette, I fell in love. Okay, so then I'm gonna take my super small contoured blending brush and I'm gonna take some of that darker color that is Passion. And I'm gonna go along my lower lash line just to kind of pull this together. And then I'm gonna take some of that brown called Affair, and I'm just gonna deepen out that outer corner. And again, this is the deeper color of Fair. It's almost like a brown pink, kind of. A really like deep dark brown pink, almost like a mauve. And then I'm going to take the tiniest bit on my big contoured brush, and I'm going to just kind of go in and deepen the outer corner. I'm putting the littlest bit on. Again, just kind of give it a little bit of depth. And then I'm going to go in with kind of a tongue-shaped blending brush, and I'm just, because I don't want the color to disperse too far, I'm just going to kind of make little tiny circles and just like blend it up and out just a little bit on the bottom and blend it into the eyeshadow. And this just gives it like this like deeper, kind of darker in the corners. And then I'm going to take my contour brush, my big kind of fluffy contour brush, and I'm just going to kind of blend that eyeshadow like out and up so I have a little bit more swept up look. And I'm going to go in with a normal blending brush with a little bit of that pink and just kind of blend that all very lightly kind of together. And now I'm going to take a very super small brush, and I'm just going to take some of that kind of dark like mauve-y color. Oh, that dark mauve-y color called Romance. And I'm just going to sweep it along the center on the bottom of my eye. And then I'm going to take that pink again, that very light pink that we used on the lid, Passion. And I'm going along my lower lash line. So there you have it. This beautiful look with the Patrick Ta Major Dimensions 2 eyeshadow palette. Now I'm going to pop on some lashes, and I'm going to show you how to do your liner once your lashes are on, and that will complete the look. So I'll be right back. Okay, so here I am with my makeup finished. I was going to go in with the liners, but I really like the way it looks without it. I do have on the Tarteist Pro Tarte lashes. And so these are the lashes I'm wearing today. As you can see, I bring my lashes all the way to the inner corner. These are beautiful lashes for doing that. I don't really have much lash left anymore. So there is that, and that is why I do that. But you can trim these lashes. They're quite long. I just think they give a really naturally pretty kind of cat eye effect. Super cute eyeshadows. I think, or eyelashes, I think they retail for $21, something along those lines. The Patrick Ta Major Dimensions eyeshadow palette retails for $64. This is an excellent palette, gorgeous, and I hope you like the look that we created with it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time on Glow Up with Shelly.